Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Clipboard History in Windows 10. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to enable this useful feature. Let's get started. Step 1. First, click the Start button. Step 2. Next, click the gear icon on the left side of the Start menu. This will open the Windows Settings menu. Now click on System. Step 3. On the Settings sidebar, click on Clipboard. Step 4. In the Clipboard settings, locate the section called Clipboard History. Toggle the switch to On. Congratulations! You have successfully turned on Clipboard History in Windows 10. Now you can close the settings window and start using this feature in any application. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to turn on Clipboard History in Windows 10. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy computing.